Welcome to Zion National Park, a flagship park of Greater Zion. The Lower Emerald Pools Trail offers a family-friendly hike that takes you into the heart of Zion's beauty. Traveling to Zion National Park from St. George is easy. Head east on I-15 North, taking exit 16 toward Hurricane on State Route 9. You'll soon reach the park's entrance in Springdale. You'll begin to see where the landscape changes into the dramatic red rock formations that define Zion. From here, park at the Zion Visitor Center and take the shuttle up into the park. You start this hike on the Kayenta Trail, which then transitions into Lower Emerald Pool Trail, making it one of the park's most popular destinations. This easy trail winds through stunning canyon walls, while providing glimpses of Zion's unique ecosystem along the way. You'll notice the contrast between Zion's arid desert and the lush vegetation fed by the natural spring that flows into the pool. This is a place where the desert truly meets the water. It's a peaceful walk, surrounded by towering sandstone cliffs and the sounds of nature. The Lower Emerald Pool is the easiest and shortest of all the Emerald Pool trails, approximately 1.2 miles round trip, with a slight elevation gain of about 69 feet. You'll be greatly rewarded with stunning views and a sense of tranquility. At the end of the trail, you'll find the Lower Emerald Pool, named for its shimmering emerald green waters. The pool is fed by a gentle waterfall that cascades over the cliff, creating a peaceful and refreshing atmosphere. Let's take a moment here to enjoy the cool mist and the sounds of nature. While the Lower Emerald Pool is a destination in itself, it's worth noting that the trail continues further upward, for those seeking a more challenging hike, up to the Middle and Upper Emerald Pools. Visit Greater Zion for more info and experience what Greater Zion has to offer.